Hello guys, welcome back to another video. So, if your laptop battery is draining too fast in this video, we're going to look how to fix the issue in Windows 10. So let's start the video. First we have to run the troubleshooter, so click on this Windows icon, and then click on Settings option. Now you have to open Troubleshoot settings. After that, click on Additional Troubleshooter. So this will show you all the options. Scroll down, and you will see this power option. So this option will help you to extend battery life. So click on this option, run the troubleshooter. So this will try to identify the problem. So as you can see, these issues are fixed, so click on Close. Now move to the next step you can apply. Right-click on Taskbar and open Task Manager. Now you have to check last two option power usage and power usage trend. So if there is any application that is consuming so much of your power, you can identify these apps with the help of Task Manager. So if there is any app that is consuming more power, just disable by right-click on it, and then click on End Task. Now move on to the next step, disable all the background application. You just have to open Settings, and then open Background Setting, and simply turn off this option. Now disable the startup application. You have to open Task Manager, and then click on Startup, and then disable all the startup application. Now move on to the next step you can apply. You have to press key plus R2 open run command. And you have to type this command and then click on OK. So this will open the group policy. No on the left side, click on Administrative Templates, click on it, expand this folder. Then click on this option, Windows Components, expand this folder. Now scroll down, then click on Search. After that on the right side. So you will see this option, Prevent Indexing while running on battery power. So you have to right-click on this option and click on Edit. After that, select Enable, then click on Apply, then OK, cut this window. After that, restart your laptop. Now again, press Windows key plus R and type this command, and then click on OK. So this will open Windows services. You have to search for a service called Windows Search. This is a service. We need right-click on it, go to Properties. After that, stop this service. And in this startup type, select Disable, click on Apply, and also Stop Service. As well, click on OK. If your laptop battery draining too fast, you can use this method. And last, you have to update your operating system. So these are the few steps you can apply. This is all for today. See you in the next video. Goodbye.